YouTube, this is my new drone from DJI. This is the Mavic 2 Professional with Hasselblad 1-inch sensor camera, 4K 10-bit HDR video. It's fantastic. I had this first one too. I had Mavic, I had Mavic Air, and now it's time for Mavic 2 Professional. We pack up this box and take a look. It's good sealed, of course. Much tape, plastic. Should be like that. There. There. It's plastic. Here it's stand opened. Okay. So it's like sealed here. It's stand open here, and we will do it. Yes. Wow. Look at this. This is the RC, the controller, like we know from before. I think it's very similar to this Mavic Air. You have this inside here, this you can take out. Like this. There. Like there. Here is the drone. Yeah, it's heavy. Here it is. For loader, I think. Battery charger. Yes. Charger here. Extra, not extra, but it's this props. It's extra this. Okay. Some cables, different stuff there. Oh, we take a look at this drone. It's heavy. Really heavy. So here it is. Powering on and off, but I know all these things. I have used drone since the start, since the first one. It's a lot of them. This. There. I want to look at this camera. Wow, that was a new one. Oh my god. Yeah, it's much more bigger than the first one. It's a complete another machine. It's more heavy. Okay, so what I have... Okay, we try to charge it first time. Charging on both, fantastic. The green light, everything is good. This RC is already 63%. It's props. It's sit already so easy. And this is white for white. Like this, push down, twist, and it's it. Always some manuals. Not so many, but little bit. Mavic 2 Pro in the box. One aircraft, remote control and different cables, props, battery charger, USB adapter and spare control stick. DJI Care refresh, keep flying. Quick start guide. You can also find this on the internet. It's like in English, Deutsch, Spanish, France, Italian, Netherlands, Russia and PT, yeah. It's a quick start here. If you want to know what is what, you can take a quick look here. Or you can download the whole thing on DJI.com. You can download so you have it on your computer so you can read. It's about battery, safety guidelines.